Hi, I'm attorney Andrew Thompson from the Thompson Law Office. Today we're talking about legal issues involving fraud, conversion, and theft. Fraud, conversion, and theft all are listed as crimes in the state of Indiana and most states as well. But they can be treated as a civil offense as well as a criminal offense. And it can arise either in the context of a business relationship or on a personal level, such as an identity theft. On a business level, the issues of fraud or conversion theft often arise in the employment context. As an employer, you want to take care to be sure that you have policies in place, audit procedures, and other human resource coverage to help you avoid problems with fraud or conversion. If something happens in the workplace, you want to be able to act quickly to prevent unnecessary losses, and you want to be able to pursue whatever remedies you're entitled to prevent future losses and to obtain restitution if you can. On a personal level, fraud or theft usually occurs in the context of an identity theft, such as the taking of a credit card, or if you've lost your driver's license, maybe someone else has it and has used your identity to obtain credit or to use it to make purchases or otherwise. Thankfully, our system allows for ample fraud alerts. You may have had these in the past from your bank when they'll call you and let you know there was a significant charge to your account. Most of the time, these are routine charges that you may have placed yourself, and they're okay. But if they're not, it raises a big red flag and you need to act quickly. Well, there are all kinds of insurance coverages against identity theft today, things such as programs like Secure ID and many others. They may not be enough in and of themselves. And in the event that you find a person that has taken your identity or otherwise commit some act of fraud or conversion against you, you have rights and remedies that you're entitled to under the law that you can pursue against that person. You may or may not be able to recover, but they're your rights nonetheless. Because these actions are the equivalent of a criminal act under our law, Indiana grants you the right to recover 3 times the actual damages, 3 times the amount actually taken from you, plus the attorney fees you incur when you suffer the loss. The last way of looking at the issue of fraud, conversion, or theft from a legal perspective would be in the event that you have to defend yourself against criminal charges. The case has occurred where I have had occasion to serve a defendant who was wrongfully charged with the crimes of both fraud and theft on multiple counts when someone had accused them of taking a credit card or otherwise using their identity. This turned out to be completely untrue, and in fact the problem was in the system and not with the person who was charged. This can be very, very challenging to defend against because oftentimes it's done without a proper identification of the person who's charged, or not even really with even a connection to the person who's charged with such a crime. If you've been charged with fraud, theft, or conversion, you need to seek help from a competent attorney today. If there's any way that we can help you with any of these issues, whether you've had something taken from you or been wrongfully charged with a crime, please contact the Thompson Law Office at 317-564-4976 or find us on the web at www.thompsonlaw-in.com.